Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to apply Amazon warehouse jobs in Australia. Looking for an Amazon warehouse job in Australia might sound like a long process, but once you know where to go, it's actually pretty straightforward. What I usually do is head straight to the official Amazon jobs website and search for something like Warehouse Jobs Australia. From there, I click into the Operations or Open Roles section where all the available positions are listed. Once I'm in, I filter by location and type warehouse to narrow things down. This helps me find roles close to where I actually want to work. If I want to be more specific, I use filters like job type, city, or distance. It saves a lot of scrolling. After finding a role I like, I open it, check the requirements, and apply directly by filling out the form and uploading any needed documents. Quick tip, make sure you have the right to work in Australia before applying, because that's one of the first things they check. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.